Welcome to Andy Walker Construction Company. This video will show you the erection process for home extension. Work with an architect or designer to create detailed plans for the extension. Check if you need planning permission from the local council. Some small extensions may fall under permitted development rights. Ensure compliance with building regulations, which govern structural integrity, insulation, fire safety and more. Inform your neighbors about the planned construction to maintain good relations and avoid disputes. Conduct a site survey to mark the exact boundaries and layout of the extension. Locate and mark any underground utilities, water, gas, electricity, to avoid damage during excavation. Clear the area where the extension will go. This includes removing any existing vegetation, debris or old structures. Arrange for a building control officer to inspect the foundation work before proceeding. Dig the trenches to the required depth and width according to the plans. Foundations in Manchester typically need to be at least 1 meter deep, but this can vary based on soil conditions and the design. Different soil types affect the foundation design. Ensure the soil is suitable and remove any loose or unstable soil. Compact the bottom of the trench and add a layer of hard core or gravel for stability and drainage. Pour the concrete into the forms, ensuring it is evenly distributed and properly compacted to avoid air pockets. Allow the concrete to cure for the specified time, usually a minimum of 48 hours, to gain sufficient strength. Start the brick and blockwork for foundation. Gather the required materials and tools. Material needed: bricks, facing bricks for exterior walls, engineering bricks for damp-proof courses, concrete blocks, for inner leaf of cavity wall, mortar, a mix of cement, sand, and water, damp-proof course, DPC, material, wall ties, for tying brick and block courses together, insulation, if using a cavity wall construction. Tools needed: trowel, bricklaying level, tape measure, string line, brick jointer or pointing tool, hammer and bolster, spirit level, wheelbarrow and shovel, for mixing mortar, bricklayers line pins and corner blocks. Mark the outer and inner edges of the wall on the foundation using chalk lines or a string line. This will guide the placement of the first course of bricks and blocks. Start by laying the corner leads, the bricks or blocks that form the corners of the wall. Building these corners first ensures that the walls are square, level and plumb. Place corner blocks or bricks at each corner and use a spirit level to ensure they are perfectly vertical and aligned. Prepare mortar by mixing 1 part cement to 5 or 6 parts building sand, depending on your specific requirements. The mortar should have a workable, smooth consistency. Start with the inner course of concrete blocks. Apply a layer of mortar onto the foundation where the first block will be placed. Position the block and tap it gently into place using a hammer handle or mallet, ensuring it is level. Use the string line to guide the placement of the blocks to ensure they are aligned and level with each other. Continue laying blocks for the entire first course, checking regularly with a spirit level. Lay the first course of bricks on the outer edge of the foundation. Use the string line to ensure the bricks are straight and level. Each brick should have approximately 10 mm, 0.4 inches, of mortar between it and the next. Apply mortar to the end of each brick, buttering, and set it in place against the previous brick. Tap the bricks down gently with a trowel handle to ensure they are level. Continue building up the wall by laying additional courses of blocks on the inner leaf and bricks on the outer leaf. Use a spirit level frequently to check that each course is level horizontally and plumb vertically. Adjust as needed by tapping bricks or blocks into place. As you build the wall, insert wall ties into the mortar joints at regular intervals, typically every 900 mm horizontally and 450 mm vertically, to tie the outer brick wall to the inner block wall. The ties help distribute loads and provide stability. Use a pointing tool or brick jointer to smooth and shape the mortar joints as the bricks and blocks are laid. This process is called pointing and is important for both aesthetics and weatherproofing. Install a DPC material above ground level to prevent moisture from rising through the wall. This is usually a layer of plastic or bituminous material placed between courses of brickwork and blockwork. Lay the DPC on a bed of mortar, and ensure it extends across the full width of both walls, inner and outer leaves. Pour the concrete into the forms, ensuring it is evenly distributed and properly compacted to avoid air pockets. Have the foundation and DPM inspected by a building inspector. You are now ready to proceed with the next phase of construction, such as laying the ground floor slab or building up the walls of the extension.